Today I'm gonna play some games on my phone because I'm going to try out a side hustle that claims you can make $300 if you just play a game for 60 seconds on your phone. I mean, imagine that, playing 60 seconds worth of games on your phone and making $300. I mean, that's complete bonkers. And now I'm not gonna lie, I think he over-exaggerated it a little bit, but I'm gonna show you why. For the title he says $300 per 60 seconds, but in the intro he does this. So he opens his phone, opens Google Play, and basically he's telling that for every single game right here, if you just download them, play them for 60 seconds, then you will earn $300. So he chooses this one, downloaded it, then he played the game, so he opened the game. And now, as you can see, I'm a complete noob because I never game, but basically he was gaming this and then he got a notification from PayPal that he had earned $10 by just playing this for 40 seconds. Oh, front flip. Whoop. I won! But for the 40 seconds he had earned $10. So there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. Divide this by 40, do this times 10, and that means that we have the possibility to make $900 per hour. Now that still sounds like a good deal, so let's get started. So the game is called Make Money, Earn Cash Online. Now this already sounds like music in my ears because I love earning money online. So let's install this. So let's open the app and see how much money we can make. Okay, so we're just going to enter, and now we just need to log in. So now we can enter a code that will give us an extra bit of coins. But in the video he showed me a code, so let's just type this in so he can earn some more money. Alright, so we already have some coins for doing absolutely nothing. I'm not quite sure how everything works, but let me just play the first game. Okay, so we need to download Collect King and install it, then claim the coins. I mean, that's easy enough, right? Okay, so let's open the App Store. Let's download this. Okay, so it's now downloaded. So let's get back to the app. We can see that we have made money. Okay, so what now? We just need to play this game for like 5 seconds. So I'm just gonna click on play and we're going to open this app. Let's see what this is. So it's called Collect King. Don't know what I need to... Oh, okay. Huh. I mean, that was easy. Couple of ads. I mean, is this it? Well, I mean, that was 5 seconds, right? So let's just go back. Your task was successfully submitted. So within 30 minutes, we should know if we have actually made money with this. Okay, so you don't get the money immediately. So let me just scroll down and let's see if we can make some more money. Okay, so here we have another app. So let's just click on this. It's a live video chat and meet. So let's just download this. I mean, not quite sure what happened, but okay, let's go back. This doesn't really work. Okay, so that's not really a good sign, but let's see if we can do some other things. So bind Google account.
Alright, so look, there's a hidden gem among all of these.
Wait, what's this? What's this? What's this? I just get an ad. Okay, so now I'm playing a game, not quite sure why, but I mean, I didn't click anything, but oh, I can skip. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what happened there, but I'm just gonna try this app for an hour or so and see how much money we can really make and if we can indeed get to that $900. I didn't see. Okay, so I have now finished playing the games and earning the money. So was this method legit and how much money did I actually manage to make? Okay, so let's open the app and let's look at it together. So as of right now, we have earned 3,667 coins. And so I had to stop a little bit earlier, like I haven't been able to play a lot of games because there aren't just a lot of games available. Like I've looked, a lot of the games that I tried to download, I couldn't download. like directed me to a link on the internet and I couldn't download anything to play. So that was really annoying and I couldn't really try out this method. I mean, there are just no games to play. And now all these coins translate to 36.67, and I think this is, I mean, let me just check. Yeah, so this is Indian rupees. And now if we just take a closer look, we can see that 1 Indian rupee is 0.012 USD. So that means that we have earned a total of 36.67 times 0.012. We have earned a total of 44 cents. So I don't really think that this method works. I mean, I don't really think. I mean, I can see that this method doesn't work. It's definitely not possible to make $900 per hour. It's not possible to make $300 per 60 seconds by using this method. So again, I've been clickbaited, and it is a good reminder for us to make sure that we need to be on the lookout for these type of YouTube videos. Okay, so now unfortunately this method didn't really work, but if you want to see me try to make money by watching advertisements, then you can click the video right here. But for now, have a great day.